Hello everyone, this is Josh Hull. I'm just experimenting with ways of recording and playing back walkthroughs and guides to 3D reconstructed spaces. So at the moment I'm doing a street with graffiti in. Later I'd like to do maybe some more interesting sort of conservationist environments where the sort of things that you're being told are a little bit more sort of expert and interesting stories. The idea would probably be for the graffiti one just to get people who've got an insight into the different graffiti that's going on. This is just a demo, so what I say isn't really all that important. I've got to play back and record. I've just set up this environment in a particular way so that I can use the first person camera to walk around, point at things with a certain button press, and then play them back with this weird looking character. At the moment, again, it's a demo, so this character is just there as a body that can point at things and move around. I've made the record speed a little bit faster. He doesn't walk, he just sort of like floats around and points at things. So what I've got is this constructor, this character, and I've put an audio clip of the tour. So as he walks around, the sound will be coming from his vicinity, so you'll follow him around and it'll get quieter as he goes away and things like that. So if you have 3D sound, and then you can hear where he's coming from and you can follow him around. Also for the playback, I've just put a audio offset. I haven't tested this yet, so we'll see what happens. I think it's probably going to be about 1.5 seconds. 1.5. I'm not sure if it should be plus or minus, actually I haven't tested it. So this is just if the audio recording started before the motion, then this should just set it all correct. I'll just save it before I go and hit play to play back the video. Okay, so I'll just do a quick walk through. Here's your door. Here's your skull down there. Okay, so that was the audio playing then, that wasn't me. I'll just set the offset a little bit longer because I think there's a little bit more time before the actions are supposed to happen, and I'll play again. Okay, so I'll just do a quick walk through. Here's your door. Here's your skull down there. I've added some more details over here, a few more paste ups. There's one there. Used to be quite a nice paste up here. Bay bad girl, who is now being drawn over. So you can see it's quite interesting. His voice goes away as you leave. I might just do something kind of funny so that you can tell the difference between my voice and this voice. Just see, Doppler level. I'd probably change the roll off a little bit so it's yeah, that's probably better so you can still hear him.
Okay, so I'll just do a quick walk through. Here's a door.
Okay, there you can tell the difference between.
I've added some more details.
Oh, actually the pitch shift is changing the speed of the playback, which isn't what I want, so you're just going to have to be able to determine the difference between my voice now and when I'm recording. I could add echo or something to it. Let's just do one more playback to give you an impression of what it's like. Okay, so I'll just do a quick walk through. Here's your door. Here's your skull down there. I've added some more details over here, a few more paste ups. There's one there. Used to be quite a nice paste up here. Bay bad girl, who is now being drawn over. but that's pretty cool too. Alright, I'll walk back over here. Here's the name of the street. I think the Enmore Theatre put that there just so people could find it. And end up, I'll just point over at this cube here. Alright. Cool, so that was pretty fun, actually. That was good fun. And it looks, despite the fact that this character is really weird looking and he sort of floats around in a bit of a weird way, I think it's quite promising to be able to do tours of reconstructed places. Okay, cool. I'd love to hear your comments. I'm happy to discuss the technical elements of how I did this. It's all just bits and pieces of recording. The scripts aren't all that involved, but yeah, I'm willing and happy to share them. What I'm using for the inverse kinetics is just a free script that I've modified actually slightly. It was all in JavaScript. I've changed a bit. Cool. Hope that gives you an idea of how cool it could be. Cheers.